What's up, guys? I'm excited unboxing this. As you can see, it's time for a shave. Grooming Club. All right. Well, guys, it's the Grooming Club BaldiePro. Let's go. As you know, I am always in search of the perfect bald head. Bald head is tough, guys. Yes, we got the Aftershave Serum, pre-shave oil. Nice, some natural Lemongrass Deodorant. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Ooh, are you excited? Because I'm excited. Nice. Check out this kit, guys. Awesome. It's showtime. Let's give this bad boy a shot. That's it. You just pop it right on. Tell you how many times you got left on this bad boy. This is amazing, dude. I love this thing. Cuts so well. Super easy. Absolutely love it. If you would go into my face. How are you looking? Wow, that was phenomenal. We gotta get this face now. Now we gotta get the face. Let's check this out. Boom. So get the face, guys. Oh yeah. I just use a razor. Needs to get razor bumps, it needs to hurt. My first time using this. It feels so much better. Boom. That's it. It's time to clean it. All we do, pull it off. Pop this bad boy open here. Pop it off here. Pop it off there. Pop this one off here. Pop this one here. Now it's gonna clean it. That's it. Now it's clean, just like that. Pre-shave oil, you see that? Bam. Ooh.